The Florida manatee was another endangered animal that we saw at Zoo Tampa. The manatees love to live in shallow coastal areas and freshwater rivers and springs. You can find them living in the slower moving water that's anywhere between 3 and 20 feet deep. They're also found in Florida, where we live. They can weigh up to 3,500 pounds, but on average, they weigh anywhere from 793 to about 1,000 pounds. They can become 12.7 feet long, but on average, manatees are about 9.8 feet long. They are able to live up to 50 to 60 years old. Manatees are known as sea cows because they are herbivores that graze on freshwater and saltwater plants. So that means that they love to eat plants. Manatees have no natural predators in the wild, but they are at risk of extinction due to many conflicts with human activities, such as pollution. They can get stuck in the trash that people throw in the river. Boats. Sometimes boats will end up hitting the manatees, and that can hurt them. Or also, their water area where they live becomes swimming areas for people, and then they get kicked out. Luckily, Zoo Tampa has created a center to help these manatees, and they have cared for over 400 manatees over the years. The David A. Straz Manatee Critical Care Center is here to help the injured and sick manatees, and the goal is to be able to get them back into the wild once they are all taken care of. So let's think, how can we help our manatees from becoming extinct?